Hello. Welcome to Disney. Hey everyone, welcome to our Snazzy Life.
So it is Sunday. That's the last day of August.
Last day of August, Labor Day weekend.
Last Sunday without football, everybody. So we're hanging out. Aleta is with us. We're hoping to get some pins today. We were here yesterday. They did not have the pumpkin pals you wanted. What's the other one you wanted?
The Haunted Mansion that's in a circle.
Yeah, so we'll see if they have those in. We're here early enough we can go check out the traders in Frontierland and see what we can find.
I'm determined to try some of the Halloween food today because I haven't tried anything really. So I'm going to try at least something today.
All right, come on, let's go hang out.
All right.
Still have the 70 up. I think they're going to keep that up all year and leave that so people that are coming here don't just get Halloween, they can still get the 70th for this their only trip.
Makes me want to sing the Celebrate song. Celebrate!
Go ahead and try a trivia.
You ready?
Sure.
Movie or parks?
Movie.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Give you easy one, right?
I hope so. I'm horrible.
Give you easy one. Okay. What was the last Disney movie to be animated in the traditional hand-drawn style?
Oh, that was...
What was the one have the owl? The one have the owl.
Winnie the Pooh?
Correct. That's the last movie.
Wow. What year
Okay.
was that? I was thinking like 2000s probably.
Correct. Ready?
Yep. Oh, that's a cool one. I think I'm okay for right now,
Sure?
though. Yep.
right.
But hey, I appreciate you. It was nice seeing you. It's been a while.
You too. Nice to meet you.
Take care.
Did Rolf find any pins yet?
Like new ones?
Let's see what's in the shadow box. Oh, they got the flyers now. All right, Katie and Aleta went ahead of me. They're already out for Frontierland, so I was checking a couple boards of the trivia. So I'm gonna head over and see what's going on. It's been a while since I've been in Frontierland. It's like coming home. It's always so busy over here. Doing all the pin trading. You been having fun so far?
Yeah, it's super hot. Like, standing like doing pin trading today, sweat was like dripping down my back. It is like very humid and very hot today. I think let's see what we're at right now. We're at 92 degrees and 40% humidity, so it's warm.
Aleta, you want to show what you got today so far?
I've got one of my cameos I've been trying to get for Rapunzel.
Those are hard to find because there's a lot of faked ones, so it's tough finding real ones.
I'm pretty excited. I've got 4 to go.
Nice. And then here's what we got today so far. We've got, these are the ones that Katie are doing. This is a new set. It's a flying characters. There's Stitch. We got this one, our friend Christy. We're one away from finishing her set. We got her Abbott Elementary pins. Katie's a teacher, she loves that. She got another one of her fanny pack ones.
Yep.
Now we've got the last 2 Ds that we needed to finish our second set, so we have it up for sale now. We have both the sets, so you didn't get any bites so far, but got it up for sale. We'll see if anyone wants them. We got 2 for my collection. These are extra traders we got. My friend Garrett is looking for this, but he wants to get it on his own, but I have it just to tempt him, see if he still does it or not. And I met this sweet girl that was doing a contest, and they got to design their own pins, and she's from Arizona, and she watches our channel. We got to visit and hang out, and she gave me this pin, so It's awesome. It's one that she actually designed herself.
It looks like it's for the future business leaders of America.
Yep.
So that's really super sweet.
Yeah, that's such an awesome pin. And if you see this, thank you again so much. All right, so we're done at Carthay. Looks like they're not going to have the sets that Aleta's wanting to get, the pins. So she may do the Fantasyland or the 70th. We'll have to find out and see. But we may hunt for those. What's up?
How are you? Good. How are you? Good. Hot.
All right. So what were the ones you originally wanted, Aleta?
I wanted the pumpkin cows, and I don't know what the official name was for the Haunted Mansion ones, but it's like a circle, and Madame Leota's in the middle.
I'll try and put a picture of what it looks like here.
Both of which do not seem to exist right now.
Yeah.
So the itch to open has become too strong, so I just decided to get these instead.
So you guys have seen us open it. We actually, the day that they came out, we actually got this set. And
Back in May.
Yeah, I actually traded a couple of these away today. So I'm like, of course, those are probably the ones she needs, but we'll go ahead and see what she ends up getting. There's 8 pins, and she got enough to get 8 pins. So let's see. Hopefully, she gets the whole set.
Oh, that should be really fun.
What were you gonna say, Katie?
You got them in May?
Yeah, I love the colors of this one though. I
I remember
the
when I
colors were really
came
great.
in May, these weren't available. Alrighty, at least the first two can't be dupes, right?
Yeah.
You would hope not.
No, you don't have
Hold
to.
up like
Just
that.
anywhere. All right, that's the first one.
Is
Mad Hatter,
all right.
have Merlin.
All right.
I love the colors of these.
I'm not a good pro at this yet, guys. Work in progress.
All right.
From this box, what would be the top one that you would want?
Probably Miguel.
Miguel?
Okay.
I really like Coco.
Yeah.
Or Lightning McQueen because Alexa hates Lightning McQueen and I
Yeah.
just think it'd be funny. I got Stitch.
Nice. If you are going to get extras, Stitch and Lightning are the best two to get extras of. So,
And
Buzz.
hey, that's a good one.
Okay, so far we're not getting any dupes. Okay.
nope, we're batting 1,000 so far.
Whew.
So, you want to show what she's got so far, Katie? It's them. So 4 more to go. Let's see.
I got my Miguel.
Nice.
That's a good one.
All right, so we need Lightning, the parrot, or Jiminy.
Yes.
What's the parrot's name? I forgot.
Jose.
Jose.
Jose, are you in there?
Jose or Lightning?
It is not Jose, but we will take extra stitches.
Nice.
First
Yeah.
two.
All right. So let's hope she gets everything except Jiminy then. So we want Lightning and Jose then. And then I can trade her for the last one then.
It would be funny that Lightning was the one that disappeared today.
Yep. It is.
Another Buzz.
Uh-oh.
Dang it, the luck has run out.
It's okay because you'll be able to trade. Come on, guys, be positive.
Keep it positive.
And another Stitch.
Oh, really? Hey, that's a good one to have extras of. So,
Okay, so she ended up with 5 of the 8,
and
And
then,
we're gonna try shadow boxes.
and
so-
her traders are Stitch and
yeah.
Buzz.
So she's got some good ones.
Yeah.
Let me look and see what I have, and we'll see if we can do a trade with her. All right, so we did have a Jiminy, and so she traded me that one, and so now she just has 2 more to get. Let's see if they can find on the shadows. Yeah, she ended up giving me a Stitch. I told her she could do Buzz or Stitch, and she said I could take a Stitch, so I did that because that one's probably a better trader for me. I told her I would save the other Stitch for Lightning though, because that's probably your best bet to get
And
Lightning.
if she does the shadow box and 2 of them do show up at different times, she doesn't want to Stitch anyways because she can, like,
Yeah, so she can trade it, so.
Well, and I'm just trying to be nice to my friends.
Well, she knows I'll help her out too, so there's a good chance that I'm going to be the one finding Lightning for her eventually, so. Which I did have this morning. And what's the other one you're missing?
Jose.
Jose.
The one that I did.
Oh,
Remember
I
my
had
last one.
I had Buzz and Jesse and Lightning this morning that are gone. So Katie saw on the board there was an Alice pin, which I only collect Cheshire. I don't collect Alice, but she saw there was one that was flipped, and it's a spinner, and on the back side is Cheshire Cat, and I never knew this pin existed. It's been for sale probably for a little while. I didn't even know, and it's an awesome pin. So thank you, Katie, for noticing that. So I picked this one up too. Let's see which ones we got over here today. I saw there was a castle in here the other day.
Yeah, we had one. It was like late in the night.
Let's see. I'm hunting for not those. Wow, you guys have a Vanellope in here also.
Kind of rare.
Crazy. Yeah. All right, so we traded with some more people. She went and got another box, so we didn't get anything out of the actual box. But let's see, she wanted to do a hidden Disney pack.
This is a Goofy thing. I got a 4th of July Goofy. Oh, sorry.
You're fine. And
I got a Mr. Toad.
nice. Probably not one she was hoping for, but
No, but it's fun. It's
and
so
then,
fun.
Then she's got 2 of the 70s, so let's see.
Queen, are you in here? Go with this one first. Although I don't think it's like, it doesn't feel right. Oh my gosh.
She got Lightning.
Yeah.
So all you need is Jose.
Jose.
Come on, Jose.
Jose.
No way, Jose.
No way.
Come on.
Jose.
That'd be the perfect box.
Another Buzz.
Buzz.
Hey, but we got
We're one away now.
Ka-chow.
Jose. That is the hardest to get, so you can easily trade for Jose if you find him now with a stitch.
Yeah, I might snoop on the.
Yes, so pretty. The one I am looking for. Hey, trivia by any chance?
Do you have trivia today?
I do. What kind of questions are you guys into?
So she loves Princess. We love Marvel.
So either one of those. She's a ringer for Princess. Give her a tough one.
Well, I only have easy ones for princesses, but I have a good one for Marvel.
Okay.
Can you name all members of the Thunderbolts?
The Thunderbolts.
Yep.
So the Red Guardian.
Uh-huh.
Elena.
Lena, the daughter.
What's
Alana? Is it? It's not Alana? Well, I know it's John, the other Captain America.
John Walker.
John Walker. Does the ghost count? They died right at the beginning.
No, Taskmaster died.
Oh, Taskmaster died, then the ghost is still there. How many are we missing? It's not Alania. It's Elena.
Closer.
It's not
Elena? It's
Closer.
Try saying it with a Russian accent. Elena.
It starts with a Y.
Yelena?
Yeah, Yelena.
Elena. We were
Are
close.
there 5?
You're missing one for sure. And maybe another one, but it depends if you count him or not.
So that we did Taskmaster, did Ghost.
We have Red Guardian.
Bucky.
Bucky.
And I almost rewatched this the other day when it came back on Disney Plus.
You're so close.
You said Red Guardian already.
Yeah.
Not Bucky.
But I'll give it to you because not everyone counts Bob. Sentry. The one that turns into the void.
Okay. The one that turns into the void.
See, my mind went completely blank. I wouldn't have got that one.
Okay, and these are the trivia.
That's a cool one.
Oh, it's fun.
Lots of tinkers.
None I am looking for. Those are super cute Tinkerbell ones.
Yeah. Thank you.
No problem.
I like the Venom one.
That is a cool one. I think I have that at home already, so.
I really like Venom.
Right? Or how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. You guys aren't doing trivia, are you?
We are not.
Alright. I always like to ask, just in case. No. Alright, so I probably showed you guys a lot of this already, but I got this Cheshire Cat, this one, Oogie Boogie. We ended up getting this one towards the end. And then this was the awesome one the girl gave me that that I met that watches our channel. So thank you again if you see this. That's awesome. These are the last 2 Ds we needed to finish another set. And so we have now completed that set. Our friend Christy needed these last 2. We got those for her. My friend Garrett needs this one, but he's stubborn and doesn't want me to help him. So his birthday's coming up next month, so maybe I'll give that one to him for his birthday. Then it's technically, I didn't help him find it. I gave it to him as a gift, but we'll see. These are the ones Katie got. This is the new Flying series right there. And so she got the Stitch. That's the only one she wanted from it. She's almost done with the fanny packs now, and this Abbott Elementary one. These are all ones we just traded and did. I actually found both of these Vanellope's in the shadow boxes, which was crazy because it's an awesome pin and you usually don't see that one. It's hard to find, so I was able to get all of those, and these are all ones I just traded with people for ones they needed. And then here's Aleta. These are the ones that she had bought. They're right there. She traded for these. Here's one she's keeping. And then this is what she ended up with, all of them except Jose. So I'm going to try to help her find Jose, and that's it. But these are all the pins that Katie and I and Aleta have gotten today. So, all right. Well, it looks like we're done for the day. I may show you if we have a few more pins that we got at the very end trading. But yeah, you guys pretty much saw what we got.
Yeah, it's about 7:30. Oogie Boogie's going on behind us at DCA. Disneyland is packed. So all day it was so hot. Finally starting to cool down, and now that place is like body to body. So we are gonna head out.
Anything to add, Aleta?
Disney, please, 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 if you are listening, put your pumpkin pals back in the park tomorrow. That is it.
We will see. Well, thanks for coming along with us. Our Snazzy Life. We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Deuces.